Hi everyone, Petal is Les here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how I made these glam butterfly mirror tray and candle holders. Here are the items that we'll be using, and they will be listed down below so you can see where I got them from. Okay, we're going to start with our tray and these tumbling tower game blocks. And I'm using them to add a little height to our tray. And now I'll be using some E6000 to glue them down. You can use wood glue if you like, but I only have some E6000, so that's what I'm using today. When I'm all done, I'm going to set it aside so the glue has some time to dry. Okay, so now our glue is all dry. We are going to paint our tray with some silver acrylic paint. Hey everyone, I got some more things in from Totally Dazzled, and you know I like to share whatever I get in with you guys. So these are all the items that I got, and they have some new gems. OMG. Look at all these nice ones. This is the applique. They are so nice. They're huge and they are so nice. Well, not huge, but they're a good size. They're nice. I love them. And they have some butterflies and bees. Isn't this cute? In the rose gold and in the gold. They have silver and stuff too, but I didn't get any of those colors. Don't they look nice? Okay, these are the appliques. They're nice and they come with stickers on the back. Isn't that nice? OMG, look at that. That is beautiful. And then there's this one here, and they each have a sticker on the back, like I said. So I just wanted to share that with you guys quickly. And the link will be down below for Totally Dazzled. Alright, you guys. So our tray is all nice and dry. So now we're going to come in with some glass tiles. And I cut them into strips. And remember, they have this self-adhesive on the back, so I'm just going to glue them going right around the inside of our tray. And now I have some smaller cut mirrored tiles, and I'll be placing them around the outside of our tray. And now I'm adding some more of the mirrored tiles to the bottom of our tray. Okay, so we finished adding the mirrors going all around. So now I'm going to add some of our bling gems from Totally Dazzled, the butterflies. Yeah. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue our pieces onto our tray. I love how these butterflies look. They are so cute. And now for DIY number 2. These are the items that we are using. Okay, so we're starting with our glass vase. And I'll be using some of this bling sheet here. And I cut the sheets into strips. And they come with a self-adhesive on the back. So we are just gonna lay it down and go right around our vase. Now that that's all done, I'm coming back again with more of our gems from Totally Dazzle, our glam butterflies. And again, I'm using some hot glue and glue them onto our candle holder. And here is the finished look of our butterfly tray and candle holder. I love how the butterfly and bumblebees look. OMG! These gems are absolutely beautiful. And on our tray, OMG! I love it. Totally Dazzle always has some beautiful gems for us to work with. And here is our candle holder on the tray. I love how they look together. And here we go with a candle inside. I love how it looks. I don't have a big candle. If it was a nice little fatter round candle, I think it would look lovely. But this just gives you an idea of how a candle will look inside of the candle holder. I love it. A beautiful and glam tray and candle holder, butterfly style. I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing what I had to share with you. Yeah. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.